What's up, YouTube? This is Jay here again. Hey man, I just got my lowering springs from GodSpeed traction. These are the ones that lower the front 1.1 inches and the back 1.3 inches. Let's show you the before. I'm gonna have it installed today. So look, here's the before. Okay, see the gap. See the gap in the front, gap in the back. Alright, it's gonna get rid of some of that gap, so when I get the rims, it's gonna sit nice and tight. Alright, let me show you from whole car. There you go. Alright, let's get it installed. Alright guys, well here's the after. That's what it looks like with the GodSpeed lowering springs. The front was lowered 1.1 inches and the back was 1.3 inches. Let's get a close up. Let's go to the front first. Alright, I can definitely see a difference. Definitely see a difference. Alright, and there's the back. The back is still kind of a little higher than I want it, but there's definitely a difference. Alright y'all, that's the GodSpeed lowering springs for the 2017 Nissan Maxima. That's what it looks like. Oh, but guess what else I just got delivered today? I'm gonna show you right now. Uh-oh. This is what just got delivered today. You see it? Well, can't really see what it looks like, but yep. If you haven't guessed yet, these are rims that I ordered. These are 20-inch rims. They're staggered. The back is 10 inches and the front are 9.5 inches. So let me install them and I'll show you what it looks like. Alright guys, I just unwrapped one of the rims from that I just got today. Here, let me show you. Alright, here it goes. There's the rims. There's one of them unwrapped. I ordered these from audiocity.com. They did a pretty good job of wrapping it. It actually came 2 days early. I wasn't expecting it till Wednesday. Today is Monday. Here you go, let me show you. Like I said, these are the, I forgot what is it. I think, what is it, AC? I don't know. These are 20-inch staggered rims, polished or gloss black. Like I said, 20 by 9s in the front and 20 by 10s in the back. Alright, so let me finish unwrapping the rest of it, then I'm gonna put it on that right there. Alright guys, it's done. I just installed the rims here. Check it out. There it is. Tell me what y'all think. Oh, let me go on the angle. I think it looks really good. Uh-oh, car coming. I think it looks really good. Let me get a close up. Yeah, I think it looks real good, sits real well. Yep. I think it looks real good, guys. There it is. Let me go all the way around. Oh, Spectrum guy. Yeah, guys, I think it looks good. Leave your comments below. Let me know what you think.